Students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is filtering the data. As you know, the biggest problem with large database is to find the exact data you need. There are basically two methods to find the data. The very first method is known as sorting and another method is known as filtering. Into the sorting, you need to work upon to the entire table, but with filtered technique, you can only display those records you are interested in. So basically, there are several methods of filtering a database. One way is, suppose if you are going to click on this option, filter, it will show your data into this format with these arrows upon to the column name. If I'm going to click upon to the option 200, then I will right click and find out the option filter. From the filter, I will select filter by selected values. It will show you two records. One is of Vijay Pal Singh and another is of Tanveer with row number 3 and 10. Whereas total records, there are 14 records in the table. So another method to perform the filtering are auto filter, filter dialog box, text filter, number filters, and data filters. But if you want to remove the filter, you will click on this option. You will select this option, that is clear filter from marks. If I am going to perform the number filter, I will click upon this option, this arrow, and from this arrow, I will select number filter. For example, if I'm going to click on the very first option, that is equals to, I will write out the value over here. That one is 200. It will show me the following records of 200 students with 200 marks. If again I'm going to remove this filter, I'm going to select the other option from the filter number does not is equal to. Again, I'm going to take the value 200. It will show me the rest of the records. If again, I'm going to remove this filter, click on this arrow button, number filters, greater than 250, it will show me the records with the value greater than 250. Number filter, value between 200 and 300, it will show me these records, that is the value between 200 and 300. It has many other options like top 10 records, above average value, below average value, and you can even custom your own filter according to your choice. But if I am going to click upon to the text filter, the second method for filtering is text filter. For this, I will select the option name. It will have different options like equals to, doesn't equals to, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and custom filter. I am going to choose the first option, that is equal to, and typing over here the name Manveer Kaur. It will show me the result with Manveer Kaur. I am going to select this option, clear filter from name, and then again I am going to click this arrow button, text filter option, does not is equal to, name Manveer Kaur. It will show me all rest of the names without Manveer Kaur. I am going to remove this filter or clear this filter option. Then again going to press this arrow button. Click on the option text filters. Name begins with character A and then going to click OK. It will show me the two names Akashdeep and Amardeep Singh. I'm going to remove this filter. Click on this arrow button. Text filter ends with Kaur, and you can choose the another option also. Begins with M. Begins with M. I'm going to press OK button. It will show me the two names Manveer and Manpreet. Text filter button, clearing the filter. Again clicking upon the name, selecting text filter option, name that contains VEER. Okay. The names are Manveer, Tanveer and Gurveer. Going to remove this filter by clicking on the option clear filter, selecting the option arrow button, text filters, doesn't contain Singh and doesn't contain for. It will show me the name with surname Sharma. Okay.